Hi, dear friends. Welcome to all my viewers. This is Dr. Ajay Kumar. Today I am going to share with you um the common ailments that happens in the season of summer when children or even adult takes fridge water or cold drink. यह एक काफ़ी कॉमन सी बात होती है कि गर्मी के मौसम में लोग कोल्ड ड्रिंक पी लेते हैं या फ्रिज से निकाल करके काफ़ी ठंडा पानी पी लेते हैं और उसके बाद उन्हें सर्दी खांसी या पेट की समस्या या अन्य समस्याएं हो जाती हैं। अब बच्चों में ये काफ़ी पाया जाता है। माताएं बोलते रहती हैं बच्चों को कि ऐसा ना करने के लिए गर्म धूप से आकर के तुरंत ठंडा पानी नहीं पीना चाहिए या कोई भी फ्रिज का आइटम नहीं लेना चाहिए, लेकिन बच्चे मानते नहीं हैं और वो इन वस्तुओं का सेवन कर लेते हैं। तो ऐसे में उन्हें विभिन्न तरह की बीमारियां जैसा कि नाक से पानी का बहना या खांसी हो जाना, बुखार हो जाना या पेट में भोजन का अपच हो जाना या स्टूल डायरिया हो जाना, नौशिया होना, उल्टी, इन तरह के तमाम एक्यूट डिजीजेज इस कंडीशन में हो जाते हैं। तो होम्योपैथी ऑफर्स ए वेरी beautiful healing system in such conditions where the medicine, if chosen accurately on the principles of Hahnemann, as he has suggested, the condition can be restored to the health very easily. So let's see on what are the basic remedies and how we should apply in such condition. तो सबसे पहली जो मेडिसिन की हम चर्चा करने जा रहे हैं, that is arsenic help. Arsenic help is a very beautiful medicine in condition where you have taken cold drink or cold water and thereafter your caoryza has started, particularly where you starts with the running nose, and if the nose is of burning type, the discharge is of burning type, and there is amelioration by warm thing like drinking warm water, and there is in some cases you feel some sort of roughness in throat, roughness in nose, and when the center of gravity is on the right side, particularly right nose is more running, and or the throat infection in the right side is more prominent, arsenic is very much indicated. In arsenic you will see that the discharges are very very thin, they are watery type of discharges, and many of times you will experience on the upper lips some sort of excoriation or redness because of the heat, in the heat and acridity of arsenic discharge. In arsenic cases, you will see particularly in the children that they runs down very easily, their weakness comes on very easily, and there is a lot of restlessness in the initial in the initial period when the disease has started, and when the weakness becomes prominent, they takes to the bed. So in all such cases, arsenic is very much indicated. The second medicine that I would like to suggest is Kalicarb. When the center of activity is stomach and the area of abdomen, आफ्टर टेकिंग कोल्ड ड्रिंक और कोल्ड वाटर, यदि आपके बच्चे को पेट में दर्द होता है, पेट में दर्द होता है, बच्चा बैठ जाता है, पेट में चुभने सा दर्द होता है, पेट में उसे ठंड लगता है, पेट फूला हुआ लगता है, उल्टी टाइप का उसको महसूस होता है, ऐसा लगता है उसके पेट में कि पानी भरा हुआ है, कोई ठंडा चीज़ भरा हुआ, वो छूने नहीं देता है। इन सारे कंडीशन में कलिकार्ब इज इंडिकेटेड। मैंने बताया कि आर्सेनिक में जहाँ ठंडे पानी पीने से या कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीने से नाक की परेशानी फर्स्ट में आती है, कलिकार्ब में यदि कलिकार्ब में पेट की परेशानी पहले आएगी। सो यदि पानी पीने के बाद नाक में अटैक हो रहा है, नज़ला हो रहा है, तो आप आर्सेनिक की तरफ सोचिए। और अगर पेट में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, तो गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टाइनल सिस्टम में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, तो कलिकार्ब की तरफ ध्यान जाना चाहिए। बोथ arsenic and Kalicarb are right-sided medicine. Both are ameliorated by warmth. Both are chilly, but where both are very very debilitated constitution. But in Kalicarb the debility is inbuilt, whereas in arsenic the debility comes after some sort of restlessness. In Kalicarb, the pinching pain, the pressing pain, the piercing pain is much more prominent, and the patient for amelioration tries to bend forward, मुड़ के पेट को ऐसे पकड़ के मुड़ के वो बैठना चाहता है, या वो जमीन पे बैठ जाना चाहता है। तो सिटिंग, डिजायर टू सिट टू and bending forward is much more common in Kalicarb. So in such cases Kalicarb is indicated. Another medicine which comes very close to Kalicarb is Colocin. पानी पीने के बाद पेट में दर्द हुआ, और दर्द बहुत तेज दर्द हुआ, देयर इज क्रैम्पिंग टाइप ऑफ पेन। इतना पेन हो रहा है कि आप उससे पेट को पकड़ ले रहे हैं, पकड़ के खूब कस के दबा रहे हैं, अपने आप को आगे की ओर मोड़ रहे हैं, and there is a lot of cramp. In those cases, Colocin is much more indicated than Kalicarb. In Colocin, you will see that you want pressure on the painful region. When the painful region is ameliorated by the pressure, but it happens in abdomen, there is a colic after taking cold water, and you presses your abdomen, you bend forward as much as you can, you folds your knees to the chest, bring it close to the chest. In such conditions Colocin is indicated. In Colocin you want to press as hard as possible your painful area. So when this condition is created due to taking cold drink or cold water, fridge water, you give Colocin. Another medicine that is very common in such cases is Aconite. After taking cold drink, cold water in summer, and you starts problem, you have some nasal congestion, thereafter running noses, and after some time you develops some cough, there is throat pain, and by the evening you go into fever. So if the condition is such that the disease is occurring with a lot of velocity, there is a lot of violence in the disease, it occurs with so much suddenness, so much rapidity, and in that condition you are intolerable to pain, you cannot tolerate pain, you are restless, and you fear that you will die. This night comes very useful. With Aconite this condition can be managed very well. Another important medicine in such condition is Bellis pernis. Now Bellis pernis is not commonly used, but when there is a pain in the abdomen region after taking cold water or cold drink, if there is pain in the abdomen, and that pain is such nature that you feel that you cannot allow another to touch your belly, or when you move you feel pain in the muscles of the belly. So the in belly spernis, the pain is located in much deeper tissues. So when there is pain in the muscles of abdomen and you feel that the pain is very deep in the abdomen and there is a lot of soreness, give belly spernis. It will work very fantastically. So these are some important medicine which I have discussed, and there is one medicine that would like to से हेयर, क्योंकि बच्चे इस कंडीशन में कभी कभी आइसक्रीम भी खा लेते हैं और आइसक्रीम खाने से भी उनकी प्रॉब्लम काफ़ी बढ़ जाती है। और यदि आइसक्रीम खाने से प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो दो मेडिसिन को ध्यान में रखना बहुत आवश्यक है। पहला मेडिसिन जो है वो है पल्सेटिला। इन पल्सेटिला you will see that there is a lot of indigestion issue, there is flatulence, there is feeling of distension in the abdomen, and with that there is nausea feeling. The appetite would decrease, and a very painful condition of abdomen is created. Whereas in arsenic we will see a lot of secretion. It affects the mucous membrane of gastrointestinal region and it creates condition like diarrhea or vomiting. So if there is painful abdomen with the with diarrhea or vomiting, or with both, after taking ice cream, give arsenic help. So this is a short presentation of some remedies. There are so many remedies, and due to time constraint I cannot details upon all, but if you feel that I should go in much detail, do comment for that, and I will try to come with all those things in my coming videos. Thank you very much for watching me.